Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. How are you doing? I'm here just for a Tuesday morning haul. Uh, my shelf fell and hit the camera and hit everything else, and I said, well, I need to test it, so let me just do a haul. So let's do that. So hopefully it'll work. I know that there's a noise background, and that's coming from my fan from my laptop, and I guess that's just the way it's going to be. So anyway, all right. So Tuesday mornings is a closeout type store where they don't always get the same thing every time. So I like these that I got right here. Let me show you. I don't know how to describe them. They are like a clip. Let's see how they have the clip on it, and they have that on there. So I thought that was pretty neat, and I actually have this right here. So I thought, oh, I can make that. There it goes. It shows you in the back. So I like that, and I got that. So and then this is Graphic 45, the Races collection. I don't have the tags that went with it, and here is the tags that you get. So I grabbed those, but I have the paper collection, so I did grab that. That was a good buy. This is this isn't Bo Bunny. It's Miss. Yeah, it is Bo Bunny. This is Bo Bunny, and here's all the embellishments and everything you get with this. I actually opened this in the store because I wasn't sure. But I think with the colors, yeah, with these colors, I can just use any kind of ATC cards is what it is. I think I can use any type of paper to match it. And I thought this would be really pretty when I make cards, or, I mean, that's cute. This is really cute embellishments and stuff to make. And oh man, that's pretty big. Wow, you could literally punch holes in this and make a little album. See how it's already, that's nice. Yes, you could. That's cute. And on the back there was several pretty patterns too. So hopefully my camera is going to work, since we had the crash of a big old shelf with all my papers. And my husband was so sweet. That Johnny, he is so sweet. He's such a hard worker. And he came in here and put it all together for me. But then stacked it after he put it up, and I shouldn't be complaining. But then moved all my stuff around, the paper I was working on, the paper I was going to give away, and it is stacked. I mean, you can't even put another piece of paper in between the shelves. It's so thick. And the shelf is already wobbling again about 6 inches from the wall. So I just need to get moved, and I don't want to start packing everything for about 3 or 4 more weeks and all. But anyway, so I'm a hot mess right now because that happened earlier. Okay, so these are metal, and I thought these were pretty. This is always a good buy, 99 cents for the red tape. You can tape on glass and metal. You can use this on glass and metal. These are alphabets, and they're raised and kind of hard. And I like the color light blue. I'll be having to use light blue on something, I'm sure. So that was a good buy. This right here, Glue Gun Chronicles is my group I have on Facebook, and I wanted to add, I think, 3 items to the monthly giveaway. Each month you make a project. You don't give it to me, you just make a project. And I have noticed that some of them have even taken something they made before and posted somewhere else, and then they just posted in my group. Well, I said if you make it, show it. So anyway, but each month is a different type of, put roses, crayons, make a card. But anyway, this is going to be for one of the giveaways. Isn't that a cute It's the tag thing here. Let's see. See how you can make the tabs and stuff and all. So that was a good buy. It was on budget. This one is a good buy that I got. You can make the A, B, and C's alphabet with the punch. We are memories keeper. So this will be in the giveaway too. And there's a video that says the monthly giveaways. If you're returning subbie, it is tagged to the front of my main channel. This right here was 24 of the Spectrum markers, and these are the colors that I got. And I've never used anything like this. I have pencils, so I thought this was a good buy. So hopefully, there's all the colors. They had like 3 different colors in the ad, but I was only lucky enough to find this one box at my Tuesday mornings in Texas. So this is Graphic 45 washi tape, and for Graphic 45, that's a good buy. And there's the 3 different patterns, so I like that. This right here, I bought this, and a friend of mine saw it and wanted it, and so I wanted to buy it for myself because I wanted it. So I was lucky enough. It took me a couple of weeks and 4 different stores, but I finally found it at mine again. And so it makes these right here. And there's actually a camera that goes with this too. So I got this, We Are Memory Keepers. But see, it makes all the different sizes. So hopefully you can find it at your Tuesday mornings. And it is called a frame punch board. And let's see, that one was called the alphabet. And this one was called, this says punch board, tab punch board. So I'm almost done. And then I have a paper haul that I'm going to show in the next video. This is authentic paper, and I like this whole set. It has the tags and everything that comes with it and everything, so I bought this paper. I don't have a lot of men paper, and I wanted to make birthday cards, and I'm like, I don't even have any men stuff or anything. So this is pretty. This has got, you can see it's got the, well, I can show the paper maybe. Well, yeah, here's all the papers right there, the different ones. I was going to show, but I think that's boring for y'all, I'm sure. So then this one is Nautical 2, and who made this? This is $4.99. Paper House, and there's all the different papers. But this one has stickers and raised stickers and all kind of good stuff. So that one was a pretty good find. 12 by 12 puffy word stickers. 10 12 by 12 10. Oh, this is Spanish. It's just repeating it. Okay, and then I have 2 more things. This is authentic, and I like this paper pad. I have 2 new nieces in the family, so I want to make something girly for them. So here's this one, and there's the paper on this one. There's a shine on that. And then I did buy this. Oh, I'm dropping stuff, trying not to. I did buy this the other day, but I'll show it to you. It is the Sussex Big Shot, and I got it for $49.99. I already opened it, put it back in the box, and tested it out. But yeah, I got this, and they had them at my store just the other day, and they are at other stores. So hopefully you can find, if you're able to get to Tuesday mornings, hopefully you can find these goodies and enjoy some goodies like I got. And I think I did pretty good. I was happy with my finds and all. So hopefully, guys, you will get out there and find some really cute goodies and all. So I hope my camera's working okay, and I'll be back with the paper haul. Ooh, Graphic 45 and Stamperia in the house. See you in a minute. All my links are down below if you want to be a part of the giveaways for these type items for the year. It's Glue Gun Chronicles Facebook group, and just join. All right. Bye, hens.